guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been so excited to do this video because on June 10th, my lovebirds had babies, and I've been trying to have baby lovebirds for like a really long time. So today I'll be showing you what they have progressively looked like through their stages of life. They're fully grown now, and I will show them to you once we get to the end. Here's what they looked like from eggs to actual birds. So here's a picture of the day that Piosenka, the first chick, was hatched. Lovebirds lay their eggs 2 days apart. So we had 3 baby chicks hatch out. Piosenka, the oldest baby, was born on June 10th, and then on June 12th, Pineapple, the other baby, was born. And about 10 days after that, we had the last baby chick hatch out, and because it was so small, or so much smaller from the other 2, I believe the parents kind of trampled it, and it did not make it. Rest in peace, baby chick. But Piosenka and Pineapple, the 2 chicks we have, are doing wonderful, and they're so cute. So here is them being hand-fed and raised up until this point. Here are the 2 babies now. This is Pineapple, and she looks just like Mango, the dad, and she's precious. We are keeping Piosenka. This is Piosenka. He's precious, yeah. We are keeping Piosenka, and Pineapple will be going to her new home in about 2 weeks. Yeah. And they're super friendly, and they've been potty trained. Potty trained them. And they're the sweetest little baby birds. And I'm going to include at the end some pictures of Pineapple and Piosenka hanging out with me because they're so sweet and they're so friendly. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Say thank you. And please, before you go, like and subscribe down there, and have a wonderful day.